Hello everyone, welcome to WebClass.in. In this video, you are going to learn about all the functionality provided by us for the administrators. To access any of the features, you have to log in first. If correctly inputted, you are shown the admin panel. In the panel, the first thing you see is add a new admin, where you input the email ID of the staff member that has to be nominated to admin position. When the submit button is pressed, they will receive a link in their mailbox to sign them up as admin. The next feature is add a new partner, which allows us to add business partner or campus representative to the system by adding the email address, specifying the type of partner, and enter the location they are to operate in. Primary partner or campus partner are partners that are directly nominated by the admin, while secondary partner are those that are nominated under the recommendation of the primary partner. Decommission partner allows you to remove business partners from the system, and their discount code will no longer be valid. We also provide you with the capability of downloading transaction list between certain dates, which when submitted will send an email to your registered email address with an Excel attachment which shows all the transaction that has happened between those two dates. In Approve New Courses, you can approve new courses set by the teacher and also set the fees for the courses. You can also approve class by entering the class code in the search bar and then approving it. Decommission courses allows you to remove courses that are already in circulation. In Approve Students Joining Courses, you approve the students who have to join a course. In Reject Students Enrollment in Courses, you reject students, removing them from accessing that course. In Move Course to New Teacher, you move course from one teacher to another by searching the class code and the teacher ID you would like to migrate the course to. In Bulk Onboard Instructors, should you want to enroll multiple instructors from an institute, you will simply provide the email address of the teacher and upload it to the site. We also provide a template Excel file in which you can upload the email address and upload it. The instructor will receive a link in their email which they have to fill to sign up as instructor. For more details, please contact us through our email services@webclass.in. Thank you for listening. This is WebClass.in, where diligence meets brilliance.